In this video, you'll learn how to scan a QR code in Phantom Wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to quickly send tokens using the QR code feature in the app. Begin by locating and opening the Phantom Wallet application on your smartphone. Ensure that you are on the main screen of the app, where your wallet balance and recent transactions are displayed. Next, look for the option labeled Send on the main interface. This button is typically found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Send to proceed to the next step. After that, you will see a field where you can enter a recipient's address. In this field, identify the QR scan icon, which usually resembles a small square or a camera. Tap on this icon to activate the QR code scanning feature. Once the camera view opens, position your device so that the wallet QR code is clearly visible within the scanning frame. The app will automatically recognize the QR code, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that the code has been scanned successfully. Review the details of the transaction, confirm that the recipient's address is correct and that you are sending the intended token, such as Solana. After verifying this information, you can proceed by tapping the button to send the token. Keep in mind that the transaction may take a moment to process, depending on network conditions and your internet speed. If you experience delays, check your connection and ensure that you have sufficient balance to complete the transaction. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.